Hello students, now we talk about the exclamatory sentence. So first exclamatory sentence we talk exclamatory sentence, and in exclamatory sentence you know such kind of words given: bravo, alas, sorrow. And in this sentence, sudden feelings always occur. Sudden feelings always occur. So, and this is the mark of exclamation. This mark for exclamation. Exclamation mark, you can say exclamation mark. But we have to discuss here about the direct speech change into indirect speech. So reporting verb of said and said to. Reporting verb said and said to is changed into told plus with plus surprised joy, sorrow, etc. What the condition and feelings here given. Sometimes you see in exclamation or exclamatory sentence told converted into exclaim. So no matter you can use exclaim. So the both the synonyms told and exclaim. So here we see the adder, we should use that, and sentence always remain in simple. So let me see the example of exclamatory sentence. So here you see example first we can take. So here Rajiv said, hooray, we have won match. So this is the tense of direct speech, and we have to convert in indirect speech. So first we see this sentence is in the form of exclamatory sentence or not. So the tense of reported speech we should notice here hooray, and this is the mark always given. So you can take and assure about this is the exclamatory sentence. So here you see Rajiv, and hooray is a bird represent a extremely happiness. So extremely happiness, it means to say we convert Rajiv told with joy. Joy also represent happiness, and after that remove inverted comma and we add that, and after that the rest of the sentence converted into simple sentence. So here we see we have won the match. This is represent in present tense, and the tense change because the reporting verb is in past tense here. So the first person is changed according to the subject, that is Rajiv, and here this is plural, so we can change be into they, that they, and have converted had won match. Rajiv told with joy that they had won the match. So this is the examples of exclamatory sentence. Now we take another example of exclamatory sentence, that is, what a beautiful girl she is. Ravi said. So here you see, students, this is what a beautiful girl she is. This is represent a sudden feelings, and this is the mark of exclamatory. So we should notice about in reporting speech tense is in the exclamatory sentence, and after that we should use the rules. So Ravi exclaimed with, and here you see the reporting speech feelings is surprise. So Ravi explained the surprise. Ravi explained the surprise, and after that remove inverted comma and add that, and the sentence should be in simple. So here she is subject, that she, that is third person, and she is converted into was, she was, and was a converted into very. She was very beautiful girl. So you can convert same this type, and luckily you see if how this come. So how is also convert into very. Sometimes what a convert into great. What a convert into very or great. So these types of exclamatory sentence you can convert in indirect speech easily. And now we talk about the optative sentence. You know, in optative sentence, optative sentence. In optative sentence, you know, wish, pray, bless, etc. So this is in the optative sentence. So after that we have to change the reported speech. Here we can see so let me see, students, about optative sentence. So optative sentence, that means wish, curse, bless, etc. So here adder is also that and we have to apply the same rule. So here example we can take, may God bless you. So you have to change this into indirect speech. So here you see students, the reporting verb is not given. So you can take any kind of reporting verb. So just may God bless you. It means to say we can take as mother, mother blessed. Remove inverted comma and change take subject. That second person is changed according to mother. It means to say that is boy. So that he and may. This is the present tense. So may change into might. He might got God blessed. So mother blessed that he might God blessed. So this is the optative sentence. So you can use these types of way and grammatical rules. Till then.